Hello, adorables. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If I have to do one more take, I'm not going to. I won't do it. I will walk away and come back tomorrow. So, this was supposed to be an unbagging of diamond paintings from One Day Savings. We're past that already, okay? So what did I get? Well, first off, I want to say that One Day Savings is an awesome little company. They've got some nice diamond painting selections. And they asked me would I like to pick some out free of charge and show you some of their products on my channel. So I do that for them every once in a while. And pretty much it's good going. This is probably the best thing I've received from them, but I don't know. I might, there's something that might not be flashing in my mind, but I like the 30 by 60, 30 by 80, 30 by 90. So these are 30 by 60. So like, I don't have to flip it around. I could just work like this, straight across. And so that was attractive to me. And the other 30 by in larger sizes, larger lengths, they went together really nice. So I'm happy with those. And I thought, let's try it again with these lighthouses. So this was a 2-pack. It's a 2-pack. And I have to say, I am not disappointed. Look at that. Look at all that color blocking. That's what I wanted. You know? That is very nice. So on days where I'm not feeling the confetti process, like, no, I will pull this out and it will go fast. It'll just, look how nice. It's like back in the day. Look at the little umbrella, the parasol. Maybe these are school teachers. Both of these have 24 colors. They're all alphabetical. Yeah, it's like a little Boy Scout there. Pollyanna. Tom Sawyer. And like, poke, poke, poke. Look at all these little flowers. Poke, poke. You could do them with crystals real easy. Because I have a tendency to not stop. So that would be something that I'd be able to stop with. Look at the little tiny boats. Oh, no. He's like, send me a life raft. Look at the sails of that ship. And then a little tiny birdhouse for scale. And this looks like line blocking, but it's not. You're just going to do those eyes straight across there. And you'll be able to see this blue in the middle to divide it. Not on the house, though. Just on a corner. It'd be a different color with the Y's. These are really great. Thank you so much to One Day Saving for offering me to do this, because this is just great. And I got some washi tapes. Look at these. There's 2 green. Yay! Because I got some green canvases. The silver and the green is what I really wanted. The gold is nice. Pink is nice. I have a bunch of red ones, but you know what? They look like blood splatter. So this is actually good because it's a different color. Blood splatter doesn't count. I don't know. It's for the spooky canvases that I get. Okay, so these colors belong to the red one. Yeah. So these go on the red one on the right. And they're looking very nice. Very nice. Pre-kit. Can't ask for much more than that. Here's the blue ones. You can tell the difference now. Wow. Really nice. Okay, so this I don't think is going to give me any problems whatsoever. Put the colors up there like that. And the washi tape. So One Day Savings, they've got a sale going on right now. I'm going to give you a discount code. I'll give you the product links, and I'll give you the link to the big diamond paintings and the little diamond paintings and whatever I can find for you. Okay, so these are passing my inspection with 2 thumbs up, but I'm holding the camera now. There's the other one. But yeah, they look great, and they look like they're going to give me a lot of pleasure and relaxation mode. You know, they're going to help me meditate, whatever I want to call it. So I hope everybody's having a good night. I want to thank you for coming and watching my video. I want to thank again One Day Savings for asking me to participate in this promotional offer. And peace out, everyone. Links below. God bless. Is that all I wanted to say? No, my final game arrived. I've been playing this for 2 days straight. I've played them online, like Facebook or wherever, just regular download games, and this won't have ads in it, and you won't have to wait for lives. I've been playing it for 2 days. I'm having a good time. This is good. Just to tell you what I'm up to, because I ran out of glue. I was building my Luna Magic House, and I ran out of glue. I don't know where the full bottle is, but I had to stop, and this is what I've been doing. So maybe I'll get back to diamond painting tomorrow. I don't know. Okay. Peace out, and God bless.